What the hell is this? I felt it important to let you and your team know before you cut this man open that you have all been drugged.
What do you mean drugged?
I did. By a special coffee blend. Naloxone? Carefully measured dose in the coffee pot. All of it.
Why would you do that?
Somebody in this room is an addict who's been stealing pain-relieving drugs from the patients before, during, or after surgery.
What makes you think that?
As soon as I saw those patients fresh out of surgery, it was obvious to me that they hadn't been given enough of the good stuff. And I believe that's what Dr. Newton figured out.